How to create Wise account. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To create Wise account, open Wise app. Now click on get started. Then you will see this kind of page. So to create a new account, simply click on register or sign in with Google. Here I'll be clicking sign in with Google. And then select the Google account on which you want to create a Wise account. Or else simply go back and click on register. Now enter your email address and then click on next. Now select what kind of account you want to open. Here I'll be selecting personal account. Now select your country. To do this, simply click on it and then search for the country where you live. Now select the state where you live. After selecting everything, click on next. Now you have to verify your phone number. So simply type in your phone number and then click on send code. Now Wise will send you 6-digit code. So simply open your messaging app. Here you can see Wise app sent me a message. So open that and copy the 6-digit code. Again go back and open the Wise app and then paste this 6-digit code. Now click on continue. Now set a password for your Wise account. The password must be of 9 characters containing a letter and a number. After typing a password, click on register. Click on continue. And then you will see this kind of page. So simply scroll down and click on take a look around. This is how you create your account on Wise app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.